thing. You gotta be careful the advice you take from your friends, because these bitches will have you fucked up out here. These bitches. Oh yes, these bitches will have you fucked up out here. You gotta be careful the advice you take from your friends. They talk me into online dating. I like to meet my men in real life. I like to meet them at church, the grocery store, the strip club, anyway in real life, not at a.com. But I tried it, and the thing with online dating, I don't allow men from any website to come pick me up from my house. It's not safe. I watch enough news and Law and Order SVUs to know that shit is not safe. So I was taking a train to my online date. I'm on the train, and I got a really bad cough because I was sick. The thing with coughing on the train is people get really annoyed and disgusted with you after like 2 coughs. Like you're like the worst person on the train. I'm coughing, I'm like, oh shit, I gotta hold it in or else everyone's gonna look at me like I'm gross. And I just couldn't take it, I just ended up coughing a lot. And everyone was like giving me these disgusted looks and was so offended. Even the homeless guy next to me that was jerking off. He's like, do you mind? Do you mind, miss? I'm like, motherfucker, do you mind? I just got cum out of my sweater yesterday. I don't need your shit splashing over here. So I get to the restaurant to meet my online date. I'm already in a bad mood for my train ride. So we sit and we're talking. And I knew he was a fucking weirdo because the first thing out of his mouth, he's just like, oh, I'm a huge 80s movie buff. I'm into 80s movies. I'm like, okay, I was born in 91. I don't really know, that's too many 80s films. So he asked me, like, which one is your favorite movie from the 80s? I'm like, I guess I would say Scarface. Scarface, that's a dope ass movie. For real. And he's like, oh, cool. We should go back to my crib and watch it. And I got cocaine. I'm like, oh, that escalated real fast. If I would have known you wanted to reenact scenes from my favorite movie, I would have said my favorite 80s movie was Pretty Woman. Take me shopping so I can stop being a hoe. You feel me? For real? Okay. Oh, that got an applause. Okay, there's some hoes in the crowd. Okay. I love when there's hoes in the crowd. I feel welcomed. I feel like home. So I'm like, all right, well, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna go to your crib. I'm actually ready to wrap this shit up now. So I asked the waitress to bring the bill. And usually I don't really contribute to the bill. Like, me sitting there is my contribution. My presence is a present. You feel me? The fact that I showed up to this motherfucker is my tip. That's all I gotta say. But I'm like, you know what? I'm feeling a little generous. Let me go ahead and throw a little $10 on this bitch. I reached in my bag for the $10, and a roach crawls out my bag, y'all. A roach. Oh, yes. Oh, y'all never lived in the ghetto, y'all? Oh, y'all never lived in the ghetto? That's what it is. Okay. See, we have these creatures called roaches in the ghetto. Tune into National Geographic. I'm sure they got something on there about them. But yeah, roach crawls out my bag, and I don't know what to say. Okay? I'm looking at my date. My date's looking at me. The roach is looking at both of us. So I said the first thing that comes to my mind. I said, well, say hello to my little friend. Okay, you say you like Scarface, right? And I guess the roach can tell that the date wasn't going well, because he crawled right back in my bag. I said, you know what, that's my cue to leave. I gotta go. We ready. Our Uber pool's outside. I ordered 2 seats for the Uber pool, for me and the roach. For real. So I told my friends, I said, listen, online dating is not for me. Not at all. They was like, well, which website did you try? Tinder, Match, eHarmony? I said, no, bitch. I went on LinkedIn. Oh, yes, I need a man with a job. What y'all bitches looking for? I need a 401k. Ain't nothing sexier than a 401k, y'all. Ain't nothing sexier than a 401k.